Hey guys, I'm back with another video today. Today I'm going to be ranking all Apple iPhone ringtones, iOS 17 and up, to 2023 and up. Well, sorry for making too many videos about phones recently. I'll try to make more videos about gaming. Like, I'm going to be making another gaming video, like about this Saturday, so stick around. But without further ado, this is right here is part 3 of this series. Let's go with the first one. I really like that one. 9 out of 10. That kind of sound like the Xiaomi version of the ringtone. I'd say a 7 out of 10. I like that one. I guess it's an 8 out of 10. This one's pretty relaxing. 9 out of 10. I'd say that one's a 6 out of 10. This one's pretty good. I like this one. That was really good. I think it's a 7 out of 10. I think it's a 6 out of 10. I like this one. I think that's an 8 out of 10. I like this one, it's really good. I'd say that one was like a 9 out of 10 for me. I like that one. I think that was a 7 out of 10. I think that's like a 6 out of 10. I like that one. That was a 9 out of 10. I like that. That wasn't much. 5 out of 10. I like that one. That was probably an 8 out of 10. Ah yes, the reflection ringtone. The upgraded version of it. Now that's beautiful. I like that one. 10 out of 10. Mm, 6 out of 10. That was pretty relaxing. I like it. That was a 9 out of 10. Pretty short. 5 out of 10. Not bad. I'd say it's a 7 out of 10. That was not much. 5 out of 10. I like that one. That was definitely 8 out of 10. I like that. That was really calming. Mm, 6 out of 10. That was really wasn't much. I don't quite like that one. That was 4 out of 10. That was very calming. For me, that was definitely like a 7 out of 10. Next one. That last one, I think it was I think that was like a 6 out of 10. Alright, I guess that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I will post a new gaming video on this Saturday, so stick around. Alright guys, see you in the next one.